Transform your yard from bare soil to lush greenery.
Laying turf can instantly revitalise your outdoor space, creating a fresh and inviting look.
Hey, I'm Josh, and this is how to lay turf. Let's get into it. Start by measuring the length and width to work out the total square metres.
Turf typically covers a specific area, so divide your total area by the size of the turf to work out how many you'll need. It's always a good idea to round up slightly to allow for trimming and adjustments.
Once you've worked that out, clear the area of any debris, existing turf or weeds.
You want a clean slate, so grab a rake or soil spreader to loosen up the top layer of soil and level it out. You may need to add a fresh layer, about 30 to 50 ml of lawn soil, to help level out and flatten your area for your new turf. Next, apply a layer of soil conditioner or lawn starter fertiliser over the area. This will give your turf a good foundation to grow. Using a soil spreader or rake, spread the fertiliser evenly and lightly compact it to create a firm base. For the best results, aim for a smooth, level surface, as any bumps will show through the turf. Now it's time to lay the turf. Start by placing the first roll or slab along the straight edge, like a fence line or a path, and unroll it carefully. Lay each roll or slab tightly against the last, making sure the edges meet snugly but without overlapping. If you come across areas that need smaller pieces, use shears to cut the turf to fit, especially around corners and edges. Stagger the turf rows like brickwork to help minimise any gaps. Once all your turf is down, use a roller or gently walk over the newly laid turf to help it settle and make good contact with the soil. This step is to prevent air pockets and ensure the turf roots well. Now, give the turf a good watering to help it establish. It's best to water it twice a day depending on your turf for the first couple of weeks, especially in warm or windy conditions, to keep the roots moist as they grow into soil.
You can start to mow your lawn once your turf is firmly established.
Generally about 2 to 3 weeks, but may take a little longer during cooler months. And there you have it, your new turf is ready to grow into a lush green lawn. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.